Welcome developers to the RT Thread Developers Conference here in China. I am so thrilled to join in the welcoming messages here from RISC-V International. I'm Callista Redmond, CEO of RISC-V. You know, we are at a profound point in history. We are re-architecting the future of computing, and together we are building a profound ecosystem, starting with the operating system. So the work you're doing is essential. 3 key messages for you today. RISC-V is inevitable. We already have more than 10 billion cores in market, and we're finding out more about other implementations all the time. Number 2, RISC-V enables the best processors. How do you find best? Best is meeting your design challenge. Maybe that's power, performance, cost, or other dimensions to meet your challenge for your specific implementation. No other architecture allows you this level of design freedom. And finally, together with the development community like you, we are building the strongest ecosystem. I am confident that within the next small number of years, 2 to 3, we will meet more than 90% of the demand for RISC-V. This is all the way from embedded through enterprise. This is a profound point in history. Be part of that revolution, engage in RISC-V, help share your upstream work, and together, let's change the course of history. Welcome to the conference, make some great new friends, and engage in RISC-V.
Greetings from CEVA. My name is Ori Leibovich. I'm Embedded Software and DevOps Senior Team Leader at CEVA DST. CEVA is the leading licensor of wireless connectivity, smart sensing technologies, and co-creation solutions. Together with our intrinsic solutions, we are able to provide a complete solution of IP services along with circuit design projects. I am proud to say that CEVA's technology now powers over 50 billion devices worldwide. We wish RT Thread a successful event and for you to enjoy.
Hi everyone, greetings from California Bay Area. My name is Stanley Nguyen. I am a startup founder and mentor. RT Thread is not only a real-time kernel, but it's also an eco-rich real-time operating system. It is actively developed and driven by the open source community. It is the best RTOS I ever used before. I want to say hi to the developers in China, and I wish all the best to you guys.
Hello everyone, my name is Wen Cabral. I have been working on so many projects, embedded and IoT system using RT Thread. Actually, we are going to have an online conference and we would like to invite you to join us. See you there.
Hello, Fabian here, coming to you from Lisbon, Portugal. 2022 has been a great year for open source community and RT Thread with the organization of 2 amazing little competitions bringing together makers from all over the world. I was fortunate enough to participate in one of them. It was amazing to collaborate with other makers and with the RT Thread community. I'm looking forward for the conference and also to what 2023 brings.
Hello friends from RT Thread community. My name is Dirceu Rodrigues Jr. from Curitiba, Brazil. A few years ago, the RT Thread project got my attention as a viable alternative to other real-time operation systems. This year, the RT Thread Developer Conference happens on December 24-25. I'm very excited to know the news. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.
Hey all you RT Thread developers and fans, my name is Seth Kinlan from opensource.com, and I really appreciate everything that you are doing and contributing and enabling other people to do. Hope you have a great conference. Thanks again.
Hi everyone, I'm Liao Jiawei from Intel Sandran Berhad. There is the RT Thread Developer Conference will be held in 24th and 25th of December in China. I wish it will be a successful event and looking forward for more better materials from the RT Thread community. Thank you.
Hi, this is Hima. I'm from Stuttgart, Germany. RT Thread is a very cool platform, especially for students like me to develop projects, and I'm glad to be part of the RT Thread RISC-V project development. 2022 RT Thread Developer Conference will be happening in China on December 24 and 25. I wish all the success. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Lance Harvey. I've been following the RT Thread project, the open source project, for some time now, and I think it's a very exciting project to be part of. I know that the RT Thread Developers Conference is going on in December, the 24th and the 25th of December this year. I'm looking forward to hearing some of the speakers myself, and I'm really curious to see what they have developed and what are the changes and also the roadmap that is ahead for RT Thread into 2023 and 24, etc. So I want to wish everybody a great time, and let's stay in touch and let's continue to support this great open source project.
Hi guys, welcome to RT Threads conference. My name is Gábor Kisvámosi and I'm the author and the leading developer of the LVGL project. LVGL is an open source, free, embedded graphics library. I created it as my hobby project, and in 2016 I published it on GitHub. Since then it was picked up by large vendors and leading projects just like RT Thread. Recently we have teamed up with RT Thread and developed a deep connection. I will talk about it a little bit later. Now let me introduce LVGL in a few minutes. I'm very proud to say that right now LVGL is the most popular open source embedded graphics library. Actually, it's downloaded from GitHub in every minute. I'm also very happy that most of our users are from China and a lot of our contributors are also from China. So you really help a lot to make LVGL better. A really big thank you for you that. LVGL comes with an MIT license. It means you can easily use it in commercial projects as well. LVGL has basically all the features to create a modern smartphone-like UI on small embedded devices as well. It has more than 30 built-in widgets, has a powerful style and layout system, both are inspired by CSS from the web, and it has an advanced typography system as well, which supports many languages, including Chinese of course. LVGL has no external dependencies. It makes it really easy to compile it on any microcontroller, any processor, for any real-time or normal operating system to drive OLED, e-paper, TFT displays, or even monitors. LVGL's official UI editor tool is called SquareLine Studio. It's a professional, yet easy to use UI editor software to make UI development faster and simpler. I believe the best thing in SquareLine Studio is that you can use one software from your idea to have an actual working UI on a real hardware. So instead of creating screenshots of your UI in an image editor software and then re-implement those screenshots in a prototyping software and then re-implement those prototypes with an actual UI library to have something working on a real hardware, you can use SquareLine Studio to build your UI immediately from working functional elements. You can add styles to those elements like shadow, border, gradient, image rotation, and a lot more. After that, you can add animations and events to have a really working and functional UI. The exported code is fully vendor agnostic and platform independent, just like LVGL, so you can use it on any hardware. It's very easy to get started with SquareLine Studio. It runs on Windows, Linux, and macOS as well. Just download and install it, and you can try it out even without registering to our website. But let's get back to RT Thread. As I mentioned, we already did great things together. We had a webinar, which was a great success. A lot of people have participated. It was followed by a competition where artists had provided development boards to people to create nice looking UIs on them. And right now we are working on integrating development boards with RT Thread support in SquareLine Studio to have ready-to-use projects and make it easy for you to get started with RT Thread in SquareLine Studio. I'd like to say a big thank you for RT Thread to help us to strengthen our presence in China and made it easier for you to create embedded UIs faster and simpler. Finally, nothing left from our side, just to wish you a really great time on this conference. So have a nice day, take care, and bye bye.